The iOS 18.3.1 is out right now, and this is a security update. So Apple is warning every iPhone user starting from iPhone XR to update right away. There are quite some interesting things under the hood that came with this security update that I would also like to share with you. If you're ready, let's get started. Okay, welcome back to Smart Depot. The iOS 18.3.1 does not come with any feature updates, so I'm not going to be telling you that there are this added, this was added, but it is a critical security update. And under the hood, there are a whole lot of bug fixes and performance improvements, and one of them really caught my attention. So what exactly is this update that we're talking about? Apple didn't say anything much. They talked about an exploit whereby a USB port can be attacked while the screen is turned off and when even requires authorization for access. So let me give you a practical example of that. I can actually connect this USB-C to HDMI and USB-A, connect it to this iPhone while the screen is off and try to put in the password of this phone to unlock it. Now, Apple has blocked this, but it seems that hackers have found a way to exploit something and Apple just patched that. So this may not concern you, but it's still important that you update your iPhone right now to iOS 18.3.1. Now, let's talk about the performance improvement, because right now is the best performance I've ever got on the iPhone 16 Pro here is with this new update, iOS 18.3.1. Normally, after I update, I do some benchmark tests, to see whether there's improvement. And I was shocked with this one. My iPhone 16 Pro crossed the 9,000 mark on the multi-core for Geekbench on Geekbench 6. That's 9,192. That is nuts. And also crossed the 3,600 on the single core. So not just that, I also feel a lot of improvement in terms of animation, especially when you're coming out from the Apple Music application. I do feel little stutter here and there, or when you want to move the music to the background, or you want to bring it out from the dynamic island, that has been smoothened out, with this security fix. That bug has been smoothened out. And also, I noticed something. When I get notifications on WhatsApp and some other third-party application, my notification comes on this phone first, which is the Red Magic 10 Pro, before it shows up on the iPhone. So they have also, worked on something on that lock screen notification, and it is working. So notification is coming on promptly now on this phone. So that's just generally some of the things that there are one or two apps also that requires update after you do that. So you can go to App Store and update any app that is requiring update, because there might also be some performance bug fixes that is related to such app. So that's just about that. This is a security warning. There's bug fixes and there's also performance fixes. I also noticed that the battery has improved. Now, I haven't tested the battery for few days. This update came out yesterday, but what I realized is that my screen off battery drain is quite significantly better than when I was in iOS 18.3, and also notification, also performance when the screen has been off for a long time has also been improved. So yeah, battery, performance, bug fixes, and above all, a major security fix. So what are you waiting for? Now let me know if you noticed anything that I didn't mention here in the comment section, and make sure you like, share, subscribe, share this video. Maybe someone who's afraid to update to iOS 18.3.1 should maybe make up their mind with this video. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and until I see you in the next one, it is peace to our world.